Cheers, amore mio. Happy anniversary.
No.
So we having the crostini with the
liver pate.
liver pate,
燻製のロビオラ。
raviola.
ロビオラは、ブルーチーズのロビオラ。で、これはプリモサーレが、外には、柚子胡椒。柚子胡椒と炭。
So in English,
In English, yuzu kosho is typical from here.
Yuzu is like a
and-
citrus.
Yeah, citrus,
And
yuzu,
pepper.
and pepper. It's mixed and marinated and basically it's fermented. It's spicy. It tastes like green
This is
speck.
speck, homemade.
Homemade and loin. Pork
Loin.
loin. Even that is cured 4 months ago. And this salami is from market. It's like chouskolo, but it's aged 6 months.
Is
It's a polenta.
polenta with
Yeah,
the
the
pesto.
shungiku. Yeah, shungiku is a veggies from Japan.
Wow.
It tastes a little more resin than basil, but just to make it. It's a
Homemade
focaccia.
focaccia,
Homemade focaccia crunchy.
almost like focaccia di Recco, but
Yeah, almost,
a little
yeah.
bit more thicker.
This is kind of thin. You want it to thin, and then I made it for you thin.
Yes.
It
Oh,
herb
yeah?
salt, herb salt.
Oh wow! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This kind of nest is made of water and flour. They make it in a machine and then they make it up like that. Delizioso. Best restaurant in Oita. Best, absolutely.
そとね、汁が、ゴルゴンゾーラとラディッキオと少しの蜂蜜の味種。
すごい。
この中には赤パウダーがパメザンチーズとパプリカとあとノリコ。
So pretty. Decoration too. Aww.
Are you frying?
Aww.
国産牛の、
Smells so
牛
good.
の肩の煮込みです。
で、このあれは何ですか？この、スプリンクル
黒パウダーが、オリーブパウダー。黒オリーブパウダー。ドライオリーブ。
oh, dried olive.
Questo è uno stracotto al vino rosso con polvere d'olive nere. O spalla di manzo giapponese.
マンジョジャポネーゼ。
Sono bene. E da destra il
なんか
contorno.
赤ワイン飲まずにいられないような。まずいな、これ。
右から、サイドディッシュの右からの、ポテトの、マッシュポテトみたいな、チーズの。
あ、チーズが入ってるんですね。
外で、カブと、カボチャのマリネとアスパラロースト。煮込みが、硬さ、
Guys, this is
1キロぐらい
melting in your
の
mouth.
筋肉を着て、皮の中に入れて、野菜が、人参とセロリの玉ねぎと、ベイリーフ。
The perfect music.
コトコトコトコトコトコト。2キロぐらい。
Unbelievable.
わ
チャンバリー。その後で、出して。
Same type of focaccia, but thicker. This is like always focaccia di Recco, but more thick. No, go ahead.
ミルクとミルクで作る
And
でも今回は
this is more like for Japanese style. They like it thick. It's nice and warm. It's fantastic. great consistency, very, very
い
light.
ただきます。
いただきます。
お腹いっぱいなのに、いただきます。うわー、すごいね。うわー、すごい、なにこれ。
ヘーゼルナッツの生が。
すごい。すごい綺麗。オーマイガー。
Buon anniversario!
Grazie mille! Grazie amore, grazie a tutti!
Grazie a voi.
Ah, so beautiful! Thank you so much!
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。わー、すごい
You marry me again?
Again? This is our ring, chan. I will, amore mio. Grazie.
Would you marry me? Grande chef.
Grazie a voi.
He's supposed to have a ring today, but he didn't make it.
Oh no!
Resizing and all, right?
手がちょっと、だからね。
でもすごい綺
デザインは
麗。
何でも大丈夫だけど、書けばちょっと難しい。
超かわいい。このハートがかわいい。めっちゃかわいい。
ラデザートはヘーゼルナッツのババロアと、四角が、白。
食べちゃう。
It's an amazing. It's a chocolate mousse with a white dark chocolate and coffee with the chocolate on top and the cream fresh and then the gelatin of fresh peach. Amazing, amazing. Guys, this is really Michelin star chef Simone Giannini from Santa Maria della Luce, the best chef in Oita Prefecture. Period.